Starting with the name of Allah Almighty, who is the master of the day of judgment, and a bundle of Durood Salam on beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Dear students, I am Abid Hussain Bhutta, and in this video I am going to solve question number 15, 16 and 17 of Cambridge O-Level Mathematics Syllabus D. Code of the paper is 4024 by 12, paper 1. And the statement of question number 15 is: three lines and a shaded region are shown on a 1 centimeter square grid, and in A part, find the three inequalities that define the shaded region. Now students, look at the lines that are drawn on this graph. First line is x plus y is equal to 5, and that is the line. And if we look at the shaded region, it is downside of the x plus y is equal to 5, so it will be less than x plus y is less than or equal to 5, because this line is complete line, it is not dotted line. So the first inequality is x plus y is less than or equal to 5. Now students, look at the second line. Y is equal to 2x minus y minus 1. It is also on the downside of y line. Y is equal to 2x minus 1, and this is the shaded region, so it is indicating that the downside of y, and the downside of y-axis means negative or less than. So students, second equation will be y is less than or equal to 2x minus 1. Now look at the third line that is passing through minus 2 on y-axis. So, and it is the shaded region is the upper side of the line. So the third inequality will be x is greater than or equal to 2. So these three inequalities are indicating this shaded region. And now B part of the question is: another region, or there is another region or on the same grid, is defined by these three inequalities. And first inequality is x plus y is less than or equal to 5. So this line is indicating x plus y is less than 5. So all the regions that is included to the downside of this line is included in the next three inequalities. Second is, students, y is greater than 2x minus 1, and this line is y is equal to 2x minus 1, and if it is greater, so it is indicating on the upper side or the left side of this line. So this is indicating y is greater than or equal to 2x minus 1. Now look at the third inequality. X is greater than or equal to 1. So student, x is 1 is this, and if I draw a line here in this way, and this line is x is greater than or equal to 1, so this portion is indicating in fact region R. This is the region I am coloring in this part, and these three coordinates are indicating the region according to these three inequalities. And now we have to find the area of region R, and this diagram is a triangle, and area of triangle is equal to half of base multiplied by height. Now students, look at the base of this triangle. The base is 1, 2 and 3 unit. So it will be equal to 1 over 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by, and height of this triangle is 1 unit. So the height is 1, and when we multiply these three numbers, 1 3s are 3 and 3 1s are 3 over 2, and we can write it as 1.5 as well. And if we want to write it in mixed number, it will be one whole number 1 over 2. So the area of the region according to these three inequalities is 1.5 or one whole number 1 over 2 centimeter square. And it is question number 15. Now I will solve question number 16 of the same paper, and according to question number 16, this is the diagram that is showing the speed time graph for part of a car's journey, and this diagram is indicating this is 0, and the upper side or vertical line is indicating speed, and horizontal line is indicating time. So the distance will be, all this region will be the distance. Now students, there are two diagrams. One is trapezium and other is rectangle. According to the trapezium, the height or the length of this side is 20, whereas this line is 14, and the base is 100. According to the given diagram, the length of this or the height of this diagram is 14, and its base will be 50, because 100 to 150 mean it is 50. Now students, we have to find the calculate distance. Distance will be area of trapezium plus area of rectangle, and the formula of area of trapezium is 1 over 2 multiplied by base multiplied by sum of parallel lines, and we have to add it in this the area of rectangle, length multiplied by breadth. So students, it will be 1 over 2 multiplied by 100 multiplied by sum of parallel lines are 20 plus 14 plus length is 50 and the breadth is 14. Now students, 2 1s are 2 and 2 50s are 100. It will become 50 multiplied by 20 plus 14 means 34, plus 50 multiplied by 14 means 700, and when we multiply 50 with 34 we will get 1700 plus 700, and when we sum up both the numbers we will have 2400. So the distance car traveled during this time according to the speed is 2400 meter. It is question number 16. Now I am going to solve question number 17. According to question number 17, f of x is given 2 minus 3x and g of x is given x minus 4, and in a part we have to find f inverse of x. So students, we will suppose that f inverse x is equal to y. F inverse of x is equal to y. So students, we have to suppose this fx is equal to y. Fx is equal to y. So f inverse of y will be equal to x. Now students, if f of x is y and f of x is 2 minus 3y, then y will be 2 minus 3x, and we have to find the value of x, and x will be, this 3x is minus, we transfer it to other side, it will become plus, and this y will be transferred to other side and it will become minus, and the value of x will be 2 minus y over 3, and in place of x we will put this value. So inverse of y will be 2 minus y over 3. And now students, because x and y are demi variables and we will change y with x, so inverse of x will be 2 minus x over 3, as we have changed y into x, so f inverse of x will be 2 minus x over 3. And in second part we have to find f of x plus 5 is equal to 3g into x is equal to, now students look at f of x, that is 2 minus 3x, and students we will write it as, in place of fx, in place of this x we will put x minus 5, and in place of gx we will put x minus 4. So students, it is written 2 minus 3, fx is given 2 minus 3x, and in place of x we will write x plus 5 is equal to 3, and g of x is given x minus 4, and we have to find the value of x. Now students, we will simplify. It will become 2 minus 3x minus 15 is equal to 3x minus 12. Transfer this 12 to this side and this minus 3x to right side, and we will have 2 minus 15 mean minus 13, and this 12 will become plus when we transfer it to right side, is equal to this 3x, and this 3x will become plus when we transfer it to right side, and it is minus 1 is equal to 6x, and 6 is multiplying with x, when we transfer it to other side it will divide, so x is minus 1 over 6. So the value of x is minus 1 over 6. So students, it's enough in this video. I hope you have understood all the 3 questions, and if there is any problem you can contact me through Instagram, as well as you can comment at the end of the video. And at the end I would like to say that may Allah Almighty bless you all the time, and have a good day.